If you are looking for a way to help your child improve in math, reading, science, or social studies, I want to show you exactly how IXL works before you decide if it's worth it. This is the IXL home page, and this is my daughter's account. So you can see her name up here in the top right. When she logs in, she sees this dashboard. She can see the recent skills she's practiced, things that I have posted for her to complete, and recommendations, so recommended skills based on her level. She can also participate in a diagnostic, which is right here where it says step into the arena, and that will help to guide those recommendations that will show up on this tab here. As you scroll down, you can see some other recommendations based on grade level, and the how am I doing section, which tells us how many questions she's answered, how much time she spent learning, and the skills that she has made progress in. And this is updated weekly. Okay. Once they have completed some skills, they will receive awards that will show up down here. Scrolling back up to the top, I'm going to click into the learning section. In this section, you can see that there are thousands of skills for students to practice. You can click into skills by subject. I'm going to go ahead and click on math and show you what we can find in the math section. Now, I have her practicing fourth grade math because she will be going into fifth grade and we're kind of playing catch up at this point. Once you're in the grade level that you have selected for your child, you can scroll through and look at different skills that are posted. If you hover over a skill, it will give you a skill preview so you know exactly what is going to be expected of your student for that specific skill. Each skill starts with questions that adjust based on the student's performance. So they are going to receive immediate feedback so they know what they understand and what they need to work on. One feature that comes along with this is this SmartScore. Students will be able to see their progress as they work toward mastery instead of just completing random worksheets, which I know we have all thrown at children in the past. I'm going to go ahead and just go into A1, which is place value, and show you this skill. It's asking us what number is shown and telling us that each small cube represents one. So these are our ones, these are our tens, and then each of these flats are hundreds, which makes this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds right here. So we have 600. We have 3 tens, which equals 30, and 2 ones, which equals 2. This picture is representing 632. When I hit submit, it's going to tell me if I'm correct, and it is going to, it is going to change my SmartScore. So it's going to boost your SmartScore if you have gotten the answer correct, or it is going to lower it if you have missed that question. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you miss a question. So I know that these are 4 different hundreds flats and that we have 6 tens here. So the real answer is 460, but I'm going to go ahead and mess that up so you can see what it looks like when you do answer incorrectly. When I submit, it's going to tell me that I'm incorrect, and it's going to give me the correct answer. That's not all. When you scroll down, you're going to get an explanation. It tells you what you answered, and then it tells us how we should have solved that problem, breaking it down here into a place value chart, and then asks you if you've got it. If you click on got it, then you move on to answer the next question. If you're still unsure of what to do, you can scroll back up and click watch a video. It will pop up a video right here
What are
to
place value
explain that
models?
skill to you.
Here we see 4 different size blocks. Each block represents a different value. Starting on the right, we have a small cube. We will use this cube.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that, but that is available for each question type. The next section I want to show you is the analytics right here. Parents and teachers can also see detailed reports showing their strengths, struggles, and areas where students need more support, and that's found in the analytics section. When you click in, you can see an overall summary, areas that need to be focused on, and some accomplishments as well. You can also look at the usage, some trouble spots, scores, questions, and their overall progress. My daughter just started on IXL, so I don't have much information here in the analytics section just yet. So, if you are looking for a personalized practice that your child can do independently, IXL is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave my link below so that you can explore it yourself. Thanks, guys.